When you are ready to apply for a bursary, you will need to have some information from your OSAP application or another provincial application handy, such as parental income, unless you have been out of high school for 6 years or more, are married, or are a sole support parent. Bank account balance. Include all savings, checking and tax-free savings account. The amounts from government grants and loans from provinces apart from Ontario. RESPs and any other assets or investments. To start, log into bursaries.uwo.ca. Read the information provided. It will tell you about what you are applying for, how we keep your information private, and what we use to determine your eligibility. It should take you 20 minutes to complete. Save often to avoid being timed out of your session. Do not report the amount of OSAP entitlement, as we will add it to your application. Upper year students can also apply for a work-study bursary using this application. Be sure to indicate if you are applying for work-study, bursary, or for both. The next step is the questionnaire. The information you provide here will help us match you with privately funded bursaries or awards. It is okay if the criteria does not apply to you. Fill in as much as possible. The personal information page is where you tell us when you last attended high school, whether you applied for government grants or loans, and where you will be living during study. The financial page is where we collect information on your parents' incomes, as well as any resources you may have. All fields that have dollar signs require a value. If it is not applicable to you, be sure to enter 0. Pay close attention to this question. You have to report your savings and checking account balances, including any tuition you have already paid from these accounts. A minimum contribution towards expenses is expected from each student. You either have to contribute $2,000, $3,600, or $5,000. If there is any additional information you wish to include, use the supplementary statement box at the bottom of this page. For your RESP and line of credit, we are only looking for the amount you are withdrawing this year. Do not include your OSAP assessment on this page. However, do enter if you have student loans or grants from another province. Once you have completed the financial information page, review your entries, then click that the information you have provided is complete and accurate. Click the I agree button to submit your application. You will receive an email notification of the decisions to your Western email within 3 weeks. Any bursaries are applied directly to your tuition account. Thank you for watching.